The internet has revolutionized the way we live our lives, including the way we earn money. With the rise of online businesses and the gig economy, there are numerous ways to make money online. Here are 10 proven ways to earn money online. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to make money online, as it allows you to work on your own terms and earn money by providing your services to clients. There are numerous freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, where you can find clients who require services in fields like graphic design, writing, programming, social media management, and more. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by tutoring students online. There are several online tutoring platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly, where you can sign up and start teaching students from around the world. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. You can sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, and promote products through your website, social media, or email marketing. Blogging. Blogging is a popular way to earn money online, as it allows you to share your expertise and interests with others while monetizing your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. You can start a blog on a topic that interests you, and monetize it through platforms like Google AdSense, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Online surveys. Online surveys are a simple way to earn money online by sharing your opinions with market research companies. You can sign up for survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research, and earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and participating in focus groups. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy allow you to sell products online and earn money from the comfort of your home. You can sell items you no longer need, create your own products, or become a reseller by buying items in bulk and selling them for a profit. Virtual event planning. Virtual event planning has become increasingly popular in recent years, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. You can earn money by planning and organizing virtual events like webinars, online conferences, and virtual summits. You can offer services like event planning, marketing, and technical support to clients. Online content creation. If you have a talent for creating content like videos, podcasts, or music, you can earn money by sharing your content on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and SoundCloud. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses through platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable. You can create courses on topics like web development, graphic design, or language learning and earn money by selling access to your courses. Social media management. Social media has become a powerful marketing tool for businesses, and many businesses require social media managers to manage their online presence. You can earn money by providing social media management services to businesses, including creating content, managing social media accounts, and analyzing social media metrics. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to earn money online, and the internet has opened up a world of opportunities for those who are willing to put in the effort. Whether you are looking to earn some extra income or start a full-time online business, these 10 proven ways can help you achieve your goals. For detail, click in the description link below. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.